It's too early. Oh. Well, it's a rainy day. That changes everything. Okay, I'm gonna go pee. We all dance in the warm wind blows with the same old sound. Good morning. It is not at all going to plan this video so far. It's been very sunny for the past couple days, but today it seems pretty rain potential is high. I need more coffee. That, I guess it was kind of a sentence. So yesterday I had planned today's video to be like a normal quarantine day with me, but I don't feel like it's gonna be a normal day. I'm pretty productive on a normal day. I have online school, I have videos to edit, all that good stuff, but I don't feel like doing any of it today at all so far. So I think I'm gonna watch a movie first thing in the morning. One day I'll get a tailored suit. Finished the movie. Really makes me want a suit. Some of this guy. It's just a rainy day and you gotta play your Mozart record. So hello. Yeah, this morning was pretty beautiful. What time is it right now? I have no idea. But what I do know is that I'm here back at home in the Bay Area because of the quarantine, and as you maybe can tell, my folks have commandeered my room to becoming somewhat of a storage unit. So I'm gonna spend this morning, 1, watching Buffy the Vampire Slayer, like the most important part.
Yeah.
And 2, sorting through all this shit I have back here, seeing what's mine, seeing what's not mine, seeing what's I can throw away, seeing what I can keep. Yeah. Okay, so I think I hit my limit for cleaning today. Pretty good, not bad. I have a surface to go to my online class, which starts again the day after tomorrow. I think, well, my original plan was to go run up and down the stairs outside, but it's raining and also I don't want to. So maybe I'll just shower? Yeah. Maybe.
Soon what, Giles? You never held out on me until the big bad thing in the dark became my ex-honey. He said it with flowers. Didn't the time start becoming this protective guy? I can't just hang around and I just feel I don't know.
Yeah, I'm too dirty for this. I'm covered in dust. I'm gonna shower. Yeah, and I guess I have to put this on again. Is it just me, or do your family always have samples for when you come back? So now I'm smelling like an oily Dr. Hauschka rose for nobody. And out of our backyard. Okay, so I made a huge batch of miso soup the other day, and I'm gonna reheat it, add more miso. Basically just seaweed that this guy harvested in Maine, and my dad's a fan, so he bought I'll show you. These are different seeds, and they all have this one has a meditative recipe. Much better. It's raining. Another coffee.
I'm walking.
I'm a messy girl. I'm a messy girl. Yeah. Anyway, I think right now I'm gonna sew up this tear in these beautiful suede pants I just got hand painted.
Well, we don't have to cast any spells. We can just hang out.
Sure. What?
Well, I liked spending time with you. You're so sweet. You know, it's funny.
I should lose us all. We obey. You're so damn.
There are two great TV shows in this world, Buffy the Vampire Slayer and Twin Peaks. Papa and I are supporting local businesses and getting a pizza for dinner. So yeah, I'm probably honestly gonna continue to do nothing. Oh, I am gonna upload that video hopefully tonight that I finished editing. But besides that, Buffy just got, like, you know how in the 5th Harry Potter everyone grows up? Buffy just kind of had that energy shift, so if I watch it, I'm gonna get very serious and, like, very interested in Giles' personal life. The windshield wipers are on page. Dámelo. Gracias. I mean, come on. Alright. Good lord. Was that pizza delicious? Insane. So, before I go off to sleep, I would like to sum up quickly what I didn't do today. Today, I did not put on an outfit. Well, I guess I kind of did. But, like, not an actual outfit. Today, I did not take a walk. I did not work out. I did not eat well. I did not interact with any friends. I did not, like, dance around or move my body. I did not spend the whole day watching television. I did not, like, you know, take mindfulness moments for myself in the rain and breathe in the fresh air. And I did not finish this entire Mozart record, which I've been trying to do all day. Another quick reminder that just because I did not do any of this stuff today does not mean that I am any better or worse for it. It also does not mean that I never do any of those things. In fact, when the sun comes out, bet your ass I will be in the forest, I will be on my bike. But, yeah. Just like an example of how there's no pressure. Oh, I did not upload that video that I was gonna upload. I'll do that tomorrow, maybe? Okay, anyway. Good night, my friends. I hope you have a beautiful month's rest. And perhaps I'll see you in the future. Okay. With all my love. Adieu.
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1,